Hey everybody, and welcome back to the chateau. I've got a massive job that needs doing for extreme safety reasons. Okay, extreme safety reasons are correct. Massive job, not so much, although it depends how much of it is. Obviously, I don't particularly find the wood out in France very good quality. And this is obviously the bridge that goes into dining room, original entrance through thoroughfare for everyone getting in and out the toilets. I never really notice when the boards go soft because I tend to walk in the middle and it has a massive support strut in the middle. And for anyone looking down there, and you see that that's rotten. This is all metal. This is just a strip of wood, which is on top of the metal, so you've got something to screw into. That's not supporting anything. So I don't tend to notice when they're soft, but there are a few. I change them bit by bit when I notice they're soft. You don't just do the whole lot at once and waste good wood. But as we can see, whoop, 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 I don't want to be going in. So gone along. There's probably 3 that need changing. I've taken one off up here as well, and I'm just doing some stuff with the sorting out the electrics, the last of the pump stuff, and of course outside lights and everything. So I need to get some boards on here so we don't fall in, and I need to get a load of stuff cleared because this is the Chateau day. So I'm gonna get some clearing done. No, I know what I'm going to do. I'm doing things the wrong way around. I'm going to cut the boards to length. I'm going to deal with the Osmo for the base, for the underneath of them. And then once that's dry, I can put them on Osmo the top. So yes, that's the way around I'll do it. Boards, painting, clearing, fixing, painting. Yeah. Here are the boards. These are the new 3 metre lengths. They are slightly over 2 metres. I need the offcuts for something else. And I've only got 3 which are particularly soft or one that's broken. But I've got 8 lengths. One either to use for something else or to then, if I find some more while I'm doing it. So let's get 3 which I know of, cut to length, painted on the underneath so they can dry, ready to fit. Helpful. The rain has come and I'm hoping it's not an omen. It's only mild and it's been banging weather up till now. And of course one of the bonuses about setting up something like this, I have a marquee up so I've got somewhere dry. It's supposed to be good weather, so I'm not going to get too disheartened right this second. But so what am I doing here? Well, anyone that watches Billy knows he does his floors in Osmo, and they do a terrace decking oil. So really soaks into outdoor use, and the main part which rots on that wood that's on that bridge, of course, is the ends. If you saw that other piece, well, I'd show you, but it's all the way in the trailer and it's raining. It's the ends. So I'm going to give the ends a couple of coats and the top, and then hopefully the rain will have gone once they're dry, so I can get it fitted. With the party coming up, one of the things that I have always wanted to do to help raise a little bit of extra money for the chosen charities that day is to make little mementos, something that people can buy, and then that money can go into the pot for the charities. And this year, I have been given a little while back a Creality laser engraver, the Falcon A1, and I've shown it before, I've done stuff with it. So I thought I could do something else to then sell. So they did actually give me the rotary attachment, and these are actually perfume holders. So you can refill them with your own perfume. So you've always got some in your handbag or pocket. And this turns and all the rest of it. And I thought, oh, I could try to possibly do my own cups. But I can't do bulk of those, and I want something that's small that everyone would want to get. If we're going to do some sort of trinket for people to take away, I want something that's small, cheap, and will appeal to as many people as possible. And what could that be? Well, I'm into a bit of repurposing, as we know, for my channel. These are actually name tags for animals. I'm assuming they're mostly meant for dogs as they're shaped of a bone. But what I was actually thinking is, if this works, I can buy something else. Oh, that's one for a cat, isn't it? These. Because I can get more of these if these work this way. So basically, make key rings. So I'm going to try on these, turn some of these into key rings for the day. I've got the rings, and if that works, I've got enough time, I can then make some more to sell off in the relevant, I'll buy the actual key rings. But let's give this a go. It's off. It's a test run, so we shall see. Little souvenirs to sell to help raise money for charity are commencing. Okay, test run. All right, so I've got my placing is clearly off because we haven't got the point going up. We can make it a bit bigger, but clean that up. Okay. I appreciate they are supposed to be little name tags for animals, but I've got lots of these, and these can make cool little key rings because they've got the rings to go there. So they'll just be a nice little, I should do it both sides, shouldn't I? Let's do it both sides. Right. Even worse placement. So that's user error. That's definitely me. However, I have some questions. So I appreciate that these are supposed to be animal name tags. But I've got a load of these, so these would be a good idea. And it's just a thought I had. Same as I can order all sorts of things. So the proper key rings are probably something to order. But are key rings a good idea? I don't really know. I'm trying something out, and I want to create something which everyone has or wants, you know. Not everyone wants a cup or a t-shirt or something, but nearly everyone has some keys, and having a little memento from the day is something that helps the charity funds. and it's something that I can make using the equipment which Creality have very kindly given us. So thank you for giving me that equipment. Thank you for sponsoring this video and giving me a chance to earn something. And now, of course, what I'm going to do is ask you a couple of questions. Do you think a keyring is a good idea? Because it's something that can be, most people will buy. It's a cheap item and it just sort of goes in your keys. And then, of course, I don't yet have the logo for the actual event, but should I do it both sides with the logo from the event, one side with the logo from the channel, which is obviously hosting in the chateau and the event, or both sides the channel thing or the chateau, and a mix of, I don't know. Love to hear your suggestions on it. I'm sort of aiming towards, it's all about the event name with the year, so then you might want a different one next year because they all change. So as always, when I show a piece of equipment that is any good, I will put a link to it in the description below. Thanks again for Creality for letting me ruin a name tag, but I'll get it right. Cool, so first coat on the bottom done. I need to escape out from underneath here because because of the weather. Now it's been dry and now we've got a little bit of rain. Of course, all the mosquitoes are getting coming out of the woodwork. Well, I say the woodwork, the grass actually, but So let this dry, stop getting bitten, next job. That one's a definite goner. Oh, let's not drop my phone in the moat. That'll go badly, wouldn't it? Yeah. Let's just... Come on. Yes. Look at that! Snippy snap, 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 snap. So you can actually see the end grain is what gets the water in and it just rots it from the end. The rest of that board is actually pretty solid. Another issue which is obviously coming up now is underneath. So you see there's wood here. There's wood piece going that way, and that way. It's not structural. It's that's on top of the metal, just so you can then screw the boards in, and that's starting to go, which of course means all of them coming up and that being replaced. So that is not happening for this party, but it's certainly something to go on a list. Right, hammer. A lot harder. Hope that's found something solid enough to go into.